The triple crochet or treble crochet is a stitch 3 times taller than a single crochet, which makes it even taller than double crochet. And I personally don't use this stitch a lot, and I actually find it kind of ugly because it leaves, in my opinion, too much of a big hole between one stitch and the other. But I do use it sometimes to make some little small parts like bows or something like this. However, to make one, we yarn over twice, insert the hook in the stitch or chain, yarn over, pull through the stitch or chain, and this leaves you with 4 loops on your hook. You yarn over, you pull through the first 2, and you are left with 3 loops on your hook. You yarn over, you pull the yarn through the second 2, and then you yarn over and you pull the yarn through the last 2 loops on your hook. We can see this a second time. Yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2.